Okay, so let's look at IGTV covers. Okay, so what you can see here are some potential covers for some really short videos that I did and now they're going to go on to my Instagram account. But the thing is, with Instagram, the size that shows up on your main feed, as a lot of us know, is different than the size that shows up for IGTV. So you have to make a cover that's sized for IGTV. The thing is, though, usually only this part right here is what's going to show up on your feed. And so this one is started, but what I would say, what I like for what I like about this is that on the cover you'll see this but in the main feed. But then when somebody goes to the IGTV channel, they'll see this whole design right here. What I would like, and what I tend to like, are one, it's just a more of a little style preference, but I kind of like it when the designs, when you can't see the edges of the photo that much. Um, it's just maybe a little bit of a quirk for me. Like I don't mind them being there, but I don't really like all of the covers edges to be seen. I like it to kind of appear to be a continuous design and less of a photo that was like popped into a design. And so there's that. So I'm just going to add some like paint splotches in here to make it appear a little more like continuous when somebody comes out of the full picture. Um, let's see if we can do perhaps even maybe a frame around the picture. Let's see if that'll work. Um, and I don't really like the so let me grab a shape. Let's see if I can find a hollow shape. I don't like the frames that are built into our design tools. So let's see. Okay, so this is a hollow tool. Let's see if that can take away some of those edges a little bit. Okay, so I like that. But and then let's see, does that look more continuous or too? So this probably needs to come up front. And so a couple things here with the pops of the brighter orange that adds a little bit of pop, so people will see it'll get people's attention as they're scrolling. The bright colors do that. Let's see if we can use a different bright color, or if I'm gonna see if it looks better, but hard to tell. So, all right. So the point though is that to that the cover for me, I really, like I said, wanted to look like a continuous design. And then also I think when you put things like this in there, um, um, on the bigger IGT cover, once your followers kind of realize that you're doing that, you also can give them some incentive to go and check out your full cover to see what else you put in there. So let's see, I'm just gonna say let's go. All right, so there's that one here. It's a similar thing. It's on its way for sure. It's a really great start. What I would love to do and will do here is a similar thing to let this look a little bit less like a like the post is kind of popped in, um, and let it be more of a continuous design for people who go and look at the whole picture. And so to do that, I'm just going to continue this color that's already on the picture in the post. And then probably similar thing, like to kind of take some of the edge off of these corners here. Just to take a little bit of the edge off. I'm going to see if I can find maybe another paint stroke, see if that would work or if something else would be better. I like this one. So let's see if we take it and use a little bit of the brand color. How does that work out? It might not work. It's a lot of it with the designs are kind of popping in and seeing what you think. But is that, and this one actually might get us all the way there, actually. Might be too much. Nope, that's not gonna work because it puts the thing on my face, puts paint on my face. I don't want to do that. It's not great. That's really bad. So, okay, let's change it, maybe make it a little bit smaller. But I'll just keep playing with this until it gets closer to what I like, but also while still also not putting making it a little less obvious that this is just pretty much the post or a post popped into the picture, the bigger frame here. So this one, as I was thinking it could work on the side, it probably won't because of that whole paint in the face situation. So just kind of put that over there. Again, to help it look a little more continuous, and then this one off to the side, uh, while keeping with the same general look and feel of the actual post that was already there. So there, take this, and actually to get rid of some of that paint, I think I can make this much bigger, and that'll take the paint, oops, not that one. It'll take the paint away, and I just bring that down a bit. And then when people look at the post, they'll just see this on my main page. But then when folks come to the IGTV cover, they'll see, oh, you know, there's actually more design and it keeps going. And we could even add some words up here and maybe wait like right here as again, like those nice little uh, uh, I don't know, nuggets or, you know, surprise for people who choose and decide to go and even check out the whole cover. So that's that. That's what you can do for your IGTV covers to make sure that they work on your main post. You want to remember that this is about the space that's going to show up. You have to play with it a bit to see, and I actually just keep a template that has a square on it so when I go to work on my IGTV covers, then that I can just put the main picture right there in that square, and then just kind of fill in around it to make it blend with the rest of the IGTV cover. If that's something that you think you would be interested in getting or having, um, we go over this sometimes in our free automation lab, and then the actual templates. That's something that people who are in our Goal Getters club, it's it's like this awesome way to just kind of keep getting tools sent to you and jump in with folks, and we like have these quarterly retreats, these planning retreats where we all get together, we plan our marketing campaigns together, and then we go and execute them together. And I'd say it's probably the least expensive option to do that. I've heard of people offering things, but they're usually like charging like 400, 200, 1,000, $2,000 a month to do it. And we want ours to be accessible to everyone who is doing good works, good works, positive, lift up this, lift up each other. Let's take this world to a better place works. So you can check that out on the goalgettersclub.com. It may not be open right now. We open it a few times a year. So just go and check it out. If it's not open, then you can just leave your information. We'll send you some free tips to hold you over and some tools to help you out right now. And you'll get a notice when it opens up again. All right. Thanks. Later. Bye.